Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A couple of days ago, somebody sent me this really fuzzy pictures. It looks like on this side, the blow up has got hands and stars and circles and fit, but they really just want hearts. And I didn't know him. And then the other day maybe just yesterday or the day before, I did a video on the pointillizer. And if they wanted a heart, we can just take the common shape, go up to hearts, and make a heart. And I'd go in and fill it in with a color and take away the outline. And then this is determine your density and your scale. So it doesn't really matter, I don't think, what size the heart is. And then I'm going to go to custom and select that, and I got a heart. And then I'm going to select my hand and apply. And now I've got a handprint of little bitty hearts. Now, if you notice that they're kind of at an angle, but that might be beneficial, let's turn it to 0. And grab it again and hit apply. And now the hearts are up and down. It's even, not going into the veins of the hands themselves. And let's try it one more time by change. I've never played around with this too much. Let's change the density up a little bit. Well, that's a lot, but let's try it. See what the difference is. I don't know if the hearts are going to be bigger or smaller. It takes some time. Corel's having to do a lot of work. Almost wish I would have tested this before I did it, because evidently that's too much. Let's try to cancel it, and let's change the density. It was only on 10. Let's set it like on 30. See if that makes a difference. It's going to definitely make a difference in the time. I haven't ever played around with it, and it actually made it smaller. So it's got a little bitty heart, but it gives out the line really good. And, I've always got to question and make sure what's behind there. If we go yellow box, order back a page, there's nothing there but black hearts. And I think from earlier this week when I was playing with it, we can make them red. I mean, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.